Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could recover data from a USB flash drive. You've lost that data by mistake or you have deleted it and now you want to recover it, then this video should help you. To begin, make sure to plug your device to your computer if it's an external hard disk or an external SSD, USB flash drive or SD card, or make sure it's visible in your desktop if it's an internal device. In this case I'm using this external device. And read the letter next to it. For example, this one is C, D, E. So the E is the concerned one. This is very important. As a next step, open your RStudio software and locate your device or the device from which you want to recover the data. Here is the letter comes handy, so it's this one. Right click and select recover all files. Here it should show you this menu, so you can click OK. Or whatever, you can change the output folder to be on another location. So for me, I'm going to select data and I'm going to select temporary. Select folder and click OK. Just click continue and wait. Usually this operation may take between 5 to 10 to 15, 20 minutes based on how big is your disk and how big is the lost data. You might be asked to click, so we are going to select overwrite older and we will wait. In the bottom we will have the status of the data, so whatever has been recovered it should show here, and for some it might show failed. So now we are going to go and check on our disk if the recovery was successful. So here are the files which I have lost earlier and they have been all recovered accordingly. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.